Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FSLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one, although now that we have another day's worth of data, definitely some interesting dynamics playing out here that I think is going to just make for a very, I don't want to say easy, but a very noticeable pattern moving forward. So moving forward, I'm not trying to come across like these levels here are some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these exact same levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on here. And in just very simplistic terms, as far as technical patterns are concerned, it's looking like we now have a sideways channel pattern because you go back there and you can see a couple data points down around that area of support, which I talked about previously at 4150. And then once again today, well, wouldn't you know it, those levels got tested. And then on the flip side of things, up there, the top part of this channel, talked about that red line up there at 4450. And then wouldn't you know it, this morning, price got right up there and got rejected right back from it. So moving forward, it's in my mind, it's just a question of, okay, well, who is ultimately going to win out of this sideways channel pattern? Are the bulls going to win out with a break to the upside here? Or are the bears going to win out with a break to the downside, which looks more probable right now given the price is hovering down around the bottom of that channel, but that doesn't guarantee anything. But, at the core, though, that's the big question. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated here at all. The price is very clearly starting to chop back and forth between this range, and it's just a question of which way is the price ultimately going to break, relative to the range, going to break to the upside or the downside. So keep your eye on this sideways channel pattern moving forward, and let's see how it plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.